Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you 10 insanely useful tricks on your Samsung Galaxy keyboard that you probably didn't even know existed. So from super fast typing to full-on keyboard customization, these tips will take your smartphone experience to the next level. So if you love discovering hidden features on your phone, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on the bell notification so you don't miss out future videos just like this. So feature number 1 is your swipe typing. So on your Samsung S25 Ultra, you can swipe your finger across letters to form words instead of tapping each key. So this intelligent gesture-based typing method recognizes your finger path and predicts word accurately using the built-in AI. So let me show you how to do this. So first we'll go ahead and open up the message app. Next we'll go ahead and tap on this message area here. And this will basically open up the keyboard. Tap on settings. Now from here, this will take you to your Samsung keyboard settings. Scroll down and find swipe touch and feedback. Tap on this, tap on keyboard swipe control, and here you'll see that you need to switch to swipe to type. So make sure it's swipe to type. Now go back and then go ahead and start swiping. So say for example, I'll put down the message as happy birthday. And there you go. So you're just swiping along and it's basically predicting the word for you. So it's significantly faster and more fluid than the traditional typing. It's great for one-handed use and it reduces repetitive stress from tapping. Feature number 2 is your gesture delete and undo. So on your Samsung S25 Ultra, you can use 2 keyboards to swipe left to delete the last sentence or action and swipe right to undo it. So the keyboard will intelligently manage the undo redo operation. So let me show you how to turn on this feature. So here we'll go ahead and open up the message app. We'll go ahead and open up the keyboard. Then we'll tap on settings. Next, we'll go ahead and scroll down and find swipe, touch, and feedback. And then where it says keyboard swipe control, tap on this and we need to go ahead and change it to cursor control. So with cursor control, you can slide your finger across the keyboard to move the cursor. Tap the shift key and slide to select a text. So make sure that's selected. Now go back. And now let's just say you typed in a word. So happy birthday. Now using my 2 fingers, I can go ahead and swipe left and this will basically delete it. If I swipe right, this will undo it. If I made some changes, so for example, if I deleted this, added another one, I can go ahead and redo this. So it'll basically redo and undo the last action. So this basically quickly corrects and erases text with a gesture. No more backspacing, is ideal for editing documents or messages on the fly. Feature number 3 is your forward delete trick. So on your Samsung keyboard, you can delete words in front of the cursor. So not just behind, which is not possible with the regular backspace. You can basically hold a shift key and you can press delete and this lets you forward delete with precision. So here is an example. When I press delete, this will delete whatever is on the left hand side. However, let's say you are in the middle of a message and you want to delete something which is on the right hand side. So to do this, you want to go ahead and press the shift button and then press delete. Now when you do that, this will delete whatever is on the right hand side. So you can basically precisely text edit, especially useful in long messages or editing paragraphs or fixing typos mid-sentence. Feature number 4 is your text highlight with Spacebar. So on your Samsung S25 Ultra, you can highlight text by holding shift and swiping left or right on the spacebar to smoothly highlight or select text without having to tap and drag the screen manually. So if you find a difficulty finding it highlighting text like this by tapping on it, then let me show you another way of how to highlight text. So here is an example. We'll go ahead and highlight the word subscribe. So to do this, we'll go ahead and press shift and then we'll go ahead and use a keyboard and we'll basically swipe. And as you swipe, this basically highlights it for you. So that highlighted subscribe. Let's just say, for example, you only wanted to highlight the exclamation mark. So to do this, press shift and then go ahead and swipe on the keyboard and this will highlight the exclamation only. So you can quickly and smoothly select text without tapping around. It's perfect for fast copying, cutting or reformatting text on your keyboard. Feature number 5 is your change input method. So on your Samsung phones, you can easily switch keyboards between Samsung keyboard, Gboard keyboard or the Microsoft QuickShift keyboard. You can do this by quickly holding the microphone or the keyboard icon, which is located just here at the bottom left. So let me show you how to do this. So first you want to go ahead and open up your message app. Next, you want to go ahead and open up the keyboard. Now here you'll see the microphone, or you'll see a keyboard. If you don't see the keyboard, you need to go ahead and long press on it and choose the input method. And this will show you the keyboard. Once you see the keyboard, go ahead and tap on this. And now from here, you can go ahead and choose the different types of keyboard that are installed on your Samsung S25 Ultra. So here I've got Google Voice Typing, Microsoft Swift Key Keyboard, and the Samsung keyboard. So I can go ahead and alternate from it. And I can choose which keyboard I want. So this is great, as I don't need to go into settings, into all those long menus and find that settings. I can just go ahead and switch it from here. So you have a fast switching between language layouts or voice inputs. It's great for multilingual users or switching to handwriting or emoji mode. Feature number 6 is your custom sticker creation. On your Samsung keyboard, you can create personalized stickers directly from keyboard using your own selfies or images. So Samsung provides editing tools to cut, decorate, and save them. So let me show you how to do this. So here we'll go ahead and first open up our Samsung keyboard. Make sure it's on Samsung keyboard. Next, we'll go ahead and tap on this emoji icon. And then we'll go ahead and tap on this galaxy icon. Then we'll go ahead and tap on the plus sign. Now here we can go ahead and create our own emojis. So let's go ahead and create an emoji. So for example, so basically we can describe an image. So it will doodle it for us. If you choose illustration, it'll illustrate for us. It can create a 3D emoji, or it can create a retro logo. You can even create stickers using this drawing method. So let's say, for example, you want to draw a car. And as you can see, it has drawn a car for me. So if I like this, I can go ahead and save it as a sticker. Press done. Press home. And then I can go ahead and use the sticker from my emoji area. So here you can basically express yourself with unique, fun graphics, great for adding a personal touch to your message or your social media post. Feature number 7 is your language switching via the globe icon. So on your Samsung S25 Ultra, you can basically switch language really quickly using the globe icon on the keyboard, and you can basically see all the available languages at once instead of tapping through them one by one through settings. So let me show you how to do this. So here we'll go ahead and first open up the message app. We'll go ahead and tap on the keyboard section here. This will open up keyboard, and here you'll see the globe icon. So here, if we tap once, this will basically start switching between all the different languages keyboard we have installed. If you don't see this globe icon, go ahead and tap on settings. This will take you to your Samsung keyboard settings. Now you want to go ahead and find languages and types. Now you want to go ahead and find language switching method, and you want to make sure it's switched to language key. Now once that's done, you can go ahead and choose all these different languages which are available on your Samsung keyboard. If you want to install more languages, go ahead and tap on manage input language and go ahead and install all these different languages. A maximum of 4 can be allowed. So go ahead and remove one of them and then go ahead and install the second one. So you have faster access to multiple languages. It makes multilingual texting or translation much more convenient on your Samsung S25 Ultra. Feature number 8 is where you can type fractions easily. So on your Samsung S25 Ultra, if you want to type fractions like 1/2 or 1/4, you usually just type like this or maybe like this. However, in this video, let me show you a way to reveal a list of fractions and insert them instantly without needing to copy and paste or search symbols from the internet. So say for example, if you want to create fractions like 1/2, 1/3. So to do this on your Samsung keyboard, you want to go ahead and long press on 1. And now you can go ahead and see all the different fractions. So you can have 1, 1/2, 1/3, 1/4, 1/5, 1/6, 1/8. Or you can go ahead and choose long press on 2. You'll see all the 2 fractions. You press on 4, you'll see all the 4 fractions. So you can improve your typing accuracy for math or cooking instructions. It saves time and it adds clarity when sharing fractional values on your Samsung messages. Feature number 9 is where you can have full keyboard theme customization. So on your Samsung S25 Ultra, if you want to change the color of individual keys or background, then you can do this with Samsung Good Lock customization app. So you can even use a custom photo as a keyboard background. So let me show you how to do this. So for this, you'll need to open up the Galaxy Store, search for Galaxy Store. Here you need to go ahead and search for an app called Good Lock. Go ahead and download this, then open it. Now there's two ways you can do it. You can use the theme module, theme park module, or you can use the Keys Cafe. So for the theme park module, you can go ahead and tap on that. And you can select keyboard. And then here you can go ahead and tap on create new. And you can go ahead and change all these colors. So if you want to change the color for this, if you change the color for this, color for this, and so on. If you want to add your own custom picture, you can do this by going ahead and tapping on the image icon and then going ahead and tapping on this. So you basically select your own custom picture. And once you're done, you can go ahead and press save, give it a name, keyboard 1, and then go ahead and set this as your keyboard. So here is an example. I've set this as my keyboard. The second way of customizing this is through the Good Lock app, and you need to use the Keys Cafe module. And here you can go ahead and style your own keyboard. So you can go ahead and use all these different presets, colors and recommendations, or you can create your own. So here, for example, if I want to use this, I can press apply. If I tap on effects, I can apply all these different effects on it. So when I press a key, give some motion effects to it. I can even apply the sound as well on it. So once I'm happy, I press home, go back to my keyboard, and you'll see my keyboard here. So you personalize your typing experience and the aesthetics. It makes your keyboard truly your own, with your own colors and styles that reflect your personality. And lastly, feature number 10 is where you can save screenshots to Clipboard. So on your Samsung S25 Ultra, you can automatically save screenshots to your Clipboard for easy pasting into chats, emails, or documents. So you don't need to open up Gallery. So let me show you how to do this. So here we'll go ahead and first open up the Message app. We'll go ahead and tap on the keyboard and we'll go ahead and tap on the settings. Now in the Samsung keyboard, if you scroll down and you need to find this setting called Save Screenshots to Clipboard. Switch this feature on. Now, say for example, if you take a screenshot of this, and then we'll go ahead and use this in our Samsung keyboard. So we'll go ahead and use it in our message. As you can see, it already tells me to paste it, so I can paste that screenshot. But if you don't see it, you can go ahead and open up your keyboard and then go ahead and tap on this clipboard icon. So in your clipboard icon, you'll see your screenshot here. So go ahead and tap on this, and then you'll be able to add it to your message. So this way you can quickly access your recent screenshots while messaging. It's perfect for sharing proof, memes, or receipts instantly. And that's it, 10 amazing Samsung keyboard tricks you can start using today. Let me know in the comment section down below which feature was your favorite, or if you got any cool tips of your own to share. I'd love to hear from you. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, subscribe to the channel for more awesome Samsung tips, and of course, hit that bell notification so you are always the first to know when a new video drops. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.